and Juju's in the craft room. Come and see, it's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
Hey, my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, we have our Margaret Miller Weekly Collage Challenge, and it is week 13. We have to have an illustration from a children's book, something that someone has given you, a piece of handwritten correspondence, a pattern of repeating shapes, a statue, and a bonus is a decorative border from a card or invitation. The border came from the card that Bonnie sent me, so there's that. Then I have the children's book illustration. It came from the Elmo book. There is our statue. Our handwritten correspondence was this little letter that I cut and folded up into an envelope, a little bitty envelope. And inside the little bitty envelope has a little bitty letter that I cut out of that paper. Okay, so here we go. Let's put this down. Alright, we're going to glue this down. I'm going to put this, I'm going to put some glue right here, because I want to put this on top. I just cut the little raccoon's feet out, and I want to put his feet, well, there we go, and then put it like that, right over. Right over that. Okay, there we go. Now I need to cut out the little raccoon's mouth. We're going to do a little plastic surgery. And I'm going to cut this right here, right along his mouth. This paper's thick. Let's cut it there. Okay. There we go. Then I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put it right up in here, like that. And then on the back, I'm going to put that down, and put a piece of washi right across it. And it's kind of thick, so I don't think the washi will show through. Too lumpy, because it's a little thick. Kadoke. There we go. And then I'm going to put it right over here, like so. Down here to the edge. And that, like that. There we go, that's perfect. Now I'm going to put some glue. Oh, yes. Make sure it's good and coated. Then move it back down this side. Let me cut that. There we go. And then take our little strip of border. Oh, cute. Now I'm going to flip it on this side. And I'm going to come here and just cut this right across the top. There we go. Okay, so we have illustrations from a children's book, something that was given to us, a piece of handwritten correspondence, pattern, repeating shapes, a statue, and the bonus is a border from a card. There we have it. That is our week 13 of our Margaret Miller Challenge. Then we'll take this right here and slide it right up under there. Okay. Thank you, and y'all have a good day, and I'll see you next week. Bye.